Bas da, lawr yr asgell chwith I Kelsey Davies. Ceisio mynd i'r gwrth Cosby o'n fagliad y fanna. O'n gyffyrddiad gan Tigi Webb a'r Kelsey Davies yn y gwrth Cosby. O'n benderfyniad adluol. Oedd ei chwipio mewn tuag at y cwrt 6, Berniad Power yn methu. Mae'n hawlio, gic o'r smotyn. Mae dal yn rhydd ar gyfla ar arbediad gan y golwr. Tigi Webb oedd yr un gath y cyfla. Cic gornel. Cael ei chodi tuag at y postyn agosa. Mae dros ben pawb a mae'n nghefn y rhwyd. A mae'r Seintiau Newydd di mynd ar blaen. 8 munud o'r ail hanner di chwarae. A mae Maria Francis Jones wedi rhoi'r Seintiau Newydd ar blaen. Yn sgwar mae Helen Evans ochr bella mae Dunkley. Dunkley, oedd I hanner Miller gydio. Ond Cara Hughes wedi pwysau ymlaen ar ergyd oedd I mewn. Aeth roed e. Y golwr yn disgwyl yn dibio'r postyn. Ond ti mewn y postyn yr athi. A mae Grace Dunkley di hyddi hwnna. Mae Buckland yn brasgamu tuag at y cwrs Cosby. Mae eibio 2. Mae'n y cwrs Cosby i'r eilydd. Buckland o! Mae see-through Jones yn y gol. A gyda chwarter awr o 90 yn weddill. Mae'r eilydd Olivia Buckland wedi rwyd ar drydedd gol i'r Seintiau Newydd. Allan I Dunkley. Dan bwysau gan Cara Hughes, Dunkley'n torri mewn i'r cwrs Cosby, groesiad tuag at Lewis sy'n chodi dros ben y golwr, a'i gefn yr hwyd. Cyffyrddiad godidog ar y capten, Leah Lewis. Gyda llai na 10 munud o'r gêm yn weddill. A'r gol yna yn coroni popeth. Caitlin Chapman. Groesiad da mewn tuag at y postyn pella. Mae'r golwr yn ei gollwng I. Mae dros ben. Ac yno, I fanteisio ar gamgymeriad Catherine Jones o Lexi Jones. Oedd y groesiad yn ei dda gan Chapman. A fel pob ymysodwr da, mi nath Lexi Jones ddilyn y bel I mewn. Chodi fyny tuag at y postyn agosa'r golwr. Yn ei gollwng unwaith eto mae'n disgyn yn rhydd. Gylfa mae Helen Evans drwy goesa. Catherine Jones. A mae hwnna yn 6 gol o'r gêm i'r Seintiau Newydd. Mae'n grasfa rwan i'r tîm cartra.
I think it goes to show, doesn't it? You know, you've got semi-professionals who are doing this 2 or 3 times a week up against our girls. But again, credit must go to obviously TNS first, but I thought our girls were outstanding. And the last 20 minutes we really dug in deep there and unfortunately couldn't quite keep it a bit lower. But, you know, our attention turned to the league next week. We'll be doing very well in there, so hopefully we can carry on that good performance and take it into our league. And yeah, I'll keep going.
We created a lot of good chances in the first half. Obviously, we're up against harsh conditions, the rain, the wind, and they defended really well, to be fair, and we just couldn't convert. But yeah, second half, I thought the reaction was really, really good. We kept on fighting, and eventually Maria got the first goal, and then yeah, they kept coming.
Came in at half-time quite frustrated and disappointed with the way that we weren't able to take chances, and we were quite creative in the final third, but ultimately we couldn't get it through their back line and into the back of the net, so it's a credit to them for the way they defended in the first half. But for us, the way we came out in the second half is what was most pleasing, and we dominated in all areas, I felt, and a lot more disciplined in the final third, not just turning possession over easily as we were in the first half. So overall, happy to get through to the next round and do it in the way that we did by getting 6 goals in the second half.
Through to the next round of the Cup. Any preferences we get in the draw for the next round?
Not really. We'll get the draw and we'll take it as it comes, really, and we'll just prepare as best as we can.